transforming any handbag with jewelry. I'm using this cute little bag as example. Hack number one, if you're also pearl lovers or if you just have a bunch of necklaces that are a bit more statementy in general, you can simply connect all of them, wrap around any sort of D-rings on your bag, and turn it into a crossbody chain. You can adjust the length of the chain depending on how many necklaces and the length of your necklaces that you attach, but also you can really play around with using the bag chain as jewelry. I mean, it is made of jewelry. So if you have, let's say, gold necklaces, or if you want to mix metal, gold and silver, if you're like me, you're obsessed with anything pearl, then you can really create your own unique bag design with the metal and the material as well as the just design of your necklaces. And the key here is to find a bag that does have these little rings or somewhere for you to loop around the entire huge necklace chain in. And so here you can even bring this to the front and have your pearl kind of dangle down here a little bit as like a mini bag charm. Or if you have a clutch that's the foldable style and you want to turn it into a crossbody bag, you can simply just weave this whole thing underneath the flap and you will have a crossbody bag. Hack number two is to simply connect two necklaces. Same concept, weave the necklace through the D-ring, connect on the other end. Now you've got yourself a little bag handle. Because it's jewelry and they are relatively strong, you don't have to worry about them breaking or anything as a bag handle, but it adds such a beautiful charm. So imagine these two handles don't already exist on this bag. If you have a bag that you want to turn into a top handle, this is such a fun trick. The best part is you can easily do this to turn the bag into a shoulder bag. Just note that some jewelry pieces like pearls tend to be a little bit slippery. So in this case, I would actually go for perhaps a just thinner chain or a chain that doesn't have all of these rounded slippery beads to be a little more secure, but actually depends on the outfit you're wearing underneath. I feel like this stays on my cotton t-shirt relatively fine. And I just really, really love how you now have a kind of elevated chain for a rather casual looking bag. Even the shorter length can be worn as a really short and cute shoulder bag. Hack number three is to wrap your necklace around your bag handle to create a little handle wrap slash twilly, I guess. But the key here is to pick a necklace that is very statementy. I would go for something with a pop of color, something that's not just a very dainty chain, because this is the only way that the necklace is gonna really show up on your handle. But it just adds such a fun little vibe. And this is a really cool hack for when you are pairing your simple bags with perhaps a colorful outfit and you want to make your bag a little bit more fun, more colorful. You can so easily customize it to really however you want, depending on what kind of necklace that you wrap around the handle. I also like when it's bunched around one end, it almost becomes a very unique element of the bag design. Hack number four is to turn any pendant necklace into a bag charm. So I am simply threading the necklace through the handle rings. And because this bag is pretty small, I'm going to wrap it around twice, connect the ends. Voila, your cute little bag charm. And go crazy to add a bunch of necklaces around your bag handle or just go for something simple. And the best part is if you're ever bored of the charms throughout the day, just take off the necklaces and wear around your neck. Lastly, convert your bag into a belt bag by picking out necklaces that hug your waist perfectly. It's the same hack as the shoulder bag as well as the top handle bag hack. So think of your necklaces or really jewelry that's a chain shape as any sort of strap. So you can create shorter straps by connecting fewer necklaces, longer straps, creating crossbody looks by connecting more necklaces, or even just let it dangle as a back charm this way. I hope these hacks inspire you to view your jewelry with a new lens, and the next time you look at an existing bag design, perhaps see if you can do some sort of modification to your existing bag to achieve the new design and really make as much use out of your favorite jewelry as possible. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more jewelry hack videos.